Hi you guys, Renee Deuce Rider here. Just gonna do a video on how to put on the rain guards. I've had them for a while, but so I'm using rubbing alcohol. This is 91%, because I hear the most important thing about putting these on is to keep it clean. And these are just face makeup cleaners. These are my original rain guards I ordered them online because I got a better price. I got front and back, and basically an unboxing. Oh, they have their little, I wanted to show that they have their little tabs, because I'm supposed to pull down the rubber on the inside of the window and hook those tabs on. Okay. I'm gonna make sure I get the right side. Yeah, here we go. And it's good to start a little bit of the tape before you hook it up. So I'm gonna do that on both sides in case I break the tape. But once you put it on, that's where it stays. You pull the rubber gasket out a little bit so that the clips can hook onto the frame. Okay. Let's see. And my whole goal here is to make it really nice right here, to match it perfectly. So I'm going to set this up ahead of time. It wiggles a little bit because I want this to be together perfectly in the middle, as if how the door looks right now. So since I know how it's supposed to feel, I did that offline because I want to take my time with these. And then there's the clips. Come here. That's the thing, you want to go in when you're pushing it up. I think I got it. So, yeah, they want to go back in. This is the hard part, I guess. Yeah, that works. Here we go. I think I got it. So this is the part I'm trying to make look nice. Right there, I want it to be perfectly flange with this door. I'm gonna do this side. I got both sides perfectly. I guess I shouldn't press on it until I get it all the way off. So that's what I was doing, pressing on it. Okay. Yay. I think I got it really good. Okay. So, now I gotta push this back up. So, since I have not so strong hands, I'm using a Sharpie to tuck it up in there. Yeah, thank you. So all I got to do is tuck this up. Just kind of pushing it up in there bit by bit. Here's cross. Pull off this paper, this protective chrome paper. There we go. Ooh, that looks nice. Here we go. Woo! It's looking good. The OEMs compared to the non-manufactured name brands that I know of, they have the chrome piece right here, so it matches and goes along really nicely. Now I'm going to do the other side. Hey, the second time putting them on the other side, the right side, is so much easier now that I know how. Woohoo! So excited. It's always scary doing something new for me that costs a little bit of money. Nice. This angles back really smooth, like that.